Bring it down slow, a little to your left. All right, hold it. Go ahead and drop the load.
Once fully incinerated, the bone is reduced to this glowing white ash, primarily calcium phosphate, which is then moved to the cooling station before grinding.
The cooled bone ash is now ready for the next stage: pulverization in our state-of-the-art grinding machines.
Sample consistency is perfect.
Viscosity confirmed at 1.65, ready for transfer.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tool. The script and idea was inspired by public info and competitors concept. Then rewriting using AI to ensure originality. Visual and animation are AI generated using View 3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and you editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator content. The video is informative only and does not present AI visual as real footage.